Bless you. Bless you again. Damn, bless you one more time. Bro, did you just shart it? Oh, you got the mud butt. It's like you just sat in some chocolate cake. Oh, hell. Hey, don't run, don't run. He gonna get chunks on the floor. Damn, goddamn, bro. Why Justin just walk out? What is that brown stuff on the floor? That's due.